10-minute hair tutorial on how I achieve this bombshell hair.
Good morning, you guys. I'm gonna get ready for the day. I got tape-in extensions last week and I washed them yesterday for the first time and I'm obsessed. I love the color. Look at that. Perfection. So anyways, we are gonna curl it with the Olivia Garden 1.5" barrel. So I'm gonna go ahead and start setting my hair, you guys. And yeah, so I'm just gonna set it and I'm gonna use my little duckbill clips. So yesterday when I washed it, I did prep it with a leave-in conditioner and a heat protector, and I put a little bit of a volume mousse and just blew it out just a little bit. So today we're gonna curl it. And I'm not really gonna spray it with any hairspray, a little bit after. So here we go. And I have my iron set to 365, like a medium setting. Okay, so we're gonna over direct. I like to start mid, over direct. This is gonna give it a lot of volume. So yeah, and I'm gonna work my way from front to the crown and then down in the sides. I'm going to clip the duckbill, and what that's gonna do is let it cool down. See, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm just taking about 2-inch sections. I would say maybe about 3 inches wide and about 2 inches thick. So your sectioning can vary on your hair texture and what look you're trying to achieve. I just want volume, a little wave. So the bigger the section you take, the softer your hair is gonna be. The smaller the section, the tighter it'll be. Obviously, this is 1.5 inches, so it's gonna be more softer, more of like a blowout look. So we're gonna repeat. And I'm leaving it maybe a good like 20 seconds, not too long. These irons heat up so good, you guys. They have 2 dual heaters, an extra long barrel, so they are like the best for any hair texture, but it's nice for long hair or if you have extensions. You guys, we are sweating. We are sweating over here. I need to cool down. I just did my skincare. So I feel like I'm sweating. My arms are tired. And my arms are getting tired because I'm really trying to over direct. So a little cool down. Okay, it's finished. Okay, so I'm gonna move it to the sides, you guys, and then set the back. So here we go. So my hair is long with the extensions, obviously. So I'm starting in the middle, wrapping it, and then opening the clamp. I kind of leave my ends. I get them in at the end, like this. Just open, put some nice tension on the curling iron, hold it. And then just open and release. Gotta be careful not to burn your fingers. If you are a beginner, you could always, so I gotta get used to the extensions. I gotta be careful. Okay, there we go, got it. So if you are a beginner, you have to be very careful because the irons do get pretty hot. So what you could do is always use a glove and practice, you guys. I'm gonna show you how to curl the other side because I feel like a lot of people struggle with that. So you can see I'm rolling it down and back, okay? Down and back. So that's gonna be away from the face, okay? And I'm right-handed. So, and you can see I'm using both of my hands. And the more you do it, you'll get used to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and take that off carefully. You're just gonna keep opening the clamp. And your hair is gonna feel really hot, so that's why I have it on the medium setting though, so it's a little more gentle. And I encourage you to lower it on a lower setting so you can get used to it, because you don't want it to be super, super hot. So you have to get the hang of it, okay? So now I'm moving it to the other side. So what I'm gonna do is I have my hair, I'm gonna start in the middle and I'm using both hands and I'm curling it away from the face and down. So it's gonna be back. So that way both sides will match. I don't really worry about these. I mean, they're so short. So if anything, I'll probably, there we go. We can kind of just heat those up a little bit. Sometimes I'll curl them at the end. So the extensions, it's new for me. So I'm excited, you guys. I'm ready for all the hair tutorials. So I'm actually going to the salon today. I do have a couple of clients, so I wanted to get ready. I have some stuff I need to film. So after I set my hair, I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay, so here we go, you guys. I'm gonna try to get that piece in there, down. You always wanna try to curl it with your hair, but I have to get used to this too. I have to get used to these inches. Another little break. All right, you guys, so I'm moving along to the back and it does feel thicker, so I'm gonna take smaller sections, okay? And I'm starting mid and rolling it up like that. And I'm just gonna work side to side for the back. So I'm gonna work on this side and then on the other side I'm gonna set. So everything's gonna go in, okay? So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. All right, you guys, I'm on my last section, last two sections. Okay, and what I do too for the back, since it is a little bit thicker, or if your sections are a little bit thicker, you can use two of these and clip them on each side. Whatever works, but I feel like these are so nice. They really hold the hair really good and it's just quick and easy for me. All right, I'm gonna carefully take that out. Pin. It is warm too. Your sections are warm, so you just have to be careful not to burn yourself or like your neck, your ears. All right, so I'm gonna put two because it is kind of thick. Okay, so we are set. I'm gonna do my makeup and this is gonna cool down for probably a good 30, 40 minutes, however long it takes me to do my makeup. So I'll be back. All right, we are back, you guys. Makeup is done. I'm gonna take these clips out carefully. Okay. Without pulling my hair. Okay. The back I did put two on each side because it was a little thick. Last one. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so obsessed with the extensions. It brought my hair confidence back up. So pretty. Just gonna give it a little shake, leave them kind of tight for the day so they last. All right, guys, and a little spray, not too much. So pretty, I'm so happy. Comment below if you want more tutorials.